pretty cool, huh? Have you ever seen that before?
Mm-mm. I've been so busy today working on this video because it is one of the best adventures that we've been on this summer, and I want to make sure that this one turns out really good. However, I had to take a break because there's two things that we have to get done today. One is the carpet installation, and the other is Jim is going to continue to work on the Havelock wool insulation project that he's been doing behind the cabinets today, and then also underneath the drawers because he found something pretty interesting under there. I wanted to make it as cheap and as easy as I possibly could, and snow is about to come. We want to be ready, so stick around. Let me show you the carpet remnant that I got. $11.33.
This could get scary.
I think I scared some of you before with the way I was using the knife on the bed in my do-it-yourself bed installation, but I'll try not to scare you this time, okay? I haven't seen the pattern on it yet. Let's see. Interesting. This is not the measuring tape for this. 2 feet, but it says that it's 2 feet. Okay. 2 feet. Oh, hi. 35 inches to where I need to make my first cut. So I'm thinking I have to cut a separate piece for here and then make a thinner piece right there. We'll see. Well, I decided to take it outside the van because doing it inside the van is too much of a mess, so less of a mess. But look at all these leaves, guys. Winter is coming. 2 feet. Oh. And it's just about a ½ inch wider than 2 feet, of course. I made a little mark right here on the line. I don't know how well this is going to cut the carpet. Ooh. I just follow the line. I'm taking off this little ½ inch. I know that there's carpet cutters, and actually somebody suggested using a wood burning tool, but I didn't want to have to buy anything just to do this project. I'm going to keep this at 11 bucks. Here's my 35-inch mark. Pretty easy to cut a straight line because of the lines are already here. I grabbed this lighter to see if it even works, to burn the edges all the way around. It's the only lighter I have, but it might do the trick, keeping it from fraying more. While Jim is working on the pantry here, I think he's taking that out so he can insulate the back behind here. I have our first piece of carpet in. When he's not in here, I'm going to take this part, move it up. What do you think? Now I have to figure out how to do from here, which is 16 inches. Make a bigger cut. All these awkward cuts. It is not going to be perfect, but it will be better. I don't know if you just heard that, but it didn't sound good. So I have 2 more cuts to make. One 29 inches this way, and I haven't measured the other part yet, but I'll get this part done. Are you okay in there? Okay. 29 inches. Bam. Okay. Actually feeling pretty good about this. The pattern will make a difference when it comes to the last cut. I'm also considering doing some tape underneath it. Probably not carpet tape, probably duct tape. We'll see. Okay. Probably should put a pad underneath it too, huh? Like a carpet pad maybe, just to keep it from slipping around. But I'm not sure, it's in there pretty snug. Haha, look how pretty that was. Okay, I'll burn these edges. There's my lighter. It stopped working. Guess I'll burn my edges later. Let's go see if this fits. I can see his brain working there. Okay, why did I go this way? Okay, we'll put this in and see if this notch here is cut out good. How you doing over there?
We'll see.
Okay, let's look at my notch first. See, look at that. Now I gotta cut it all the way down to here. And then make one strip for over there. Yes, and then I'm done.
If you're curious what it looks like on the inside of this cabinet, it's completely torn apart right now.
He tore it apart? Oh my gosh, I'm afraid to look. Oh boy. There's insulation.
But there's like a man-sized 4-inch gap back there.
Holy moly. Why?
Because we can put more insulation in. Make it warmer.
Okay. Wonder what that is. Guess we'll find out. Cool. Get off my carpet. Let's check it out. Look at that. So the plan, like I said, my lighter's not working, but I will burn the edges of this. Consider maybe taping this part down. One more cut. It's a little awkward here. 28.5 inches. By about 13. Okay, I've been procrastinating on this for too long. It's getting too cold. I'm ready to get this done. Woo! I'm gonna be done before Jim is though, so hey. 28. Last cut. Okay. Let's give it a shot.
So a lot of people asked us this summer where all the dust came from inside the drawers, and right inside this bottom drawer you can see where there's gaps. So I blocked it off with a bit of foam early in the season. I'm going to clean it up now and insulate it inside there, and then I'll put the foam on top again.
Well, the plan is now to take all these, do some taping, and then we'll get that in. My project is almost complete, probably about 10 more minutes, but Jim is digging into the closet. Let's see how he's doing.
Insulation on the flooring and all the way up the wall. Let's get it put back together. Easy peasy, the wall is put back in. It is now insulated underneath here. No more daylight visible. Also insulated along the trim here. There was nothing in there. You could feel the cold. It was obvious. And down underneath here. So the cabinetry is now insulated. Should be nice and warm and ready to go.
Okay. So this is how the little carpet project turned out. And I must say that I am very, very, very proud of it. For $11.33, a remnant from Lowe's, turned out pretty good. It feels good on the feet. This is the one part that needs to be taped down. I'm going to tape this seam as soon as I find my carpet tape. I think I'm gonna have to go buy some. I ran out of lighter fluid, so I'm gonna have to burn the edges on about 2 or 3 different edges. The thickness of it was perfect, not too thick, fit underneath the refrigerator perfectly. I think this is gonna be a great addition for us in the winter. Now, if only I can make sure that Jim takes his shoes off when he comes in the door. We'll work on that. If you're wondering how long it has taken us to do this in terms of time, we filmed this on a Sunday and we had to be done before the Cowboys started to play. That was Jim's rule. It took me about 20 minutes to do the carpet cutting and putting it in, and if I was a little bit more experienced with carpet cutting and that type of stuff, I'd probably have done a little bit better. The wool insulation, I would say that it took a total of 8 hours for Jim to complete, and once we got started we actually realized that it wasn't as difficult as we originally thought it might be. We haven't decided if we're going to start to the front of the cab yet. Right now I have the heat on, it's super warm in here, and you know, I think we're just going to make that decision a little bit later and then decide in our future do-it-yourself videos, because I have a really strong feeling that we are not done upgrading the Revel and making it more personal and comfortable for us. So stick around and see what we have in store in the future. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up if it was helpful to you. If you've been hanging around for a while or you're new to our channel and you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ding our bell. You'll be notified when we post future videos. Also, if you have anything that you want to say to us, even if you just want to say hi, comment in the comment section below, because we always respond. I am, again, really excited about what I have coming up for you on Sunday, so I'm going to go ahead and get back to editing that video because I can't wait to take you along with us on that adventure. We'll see you later.